To help students turn in their best written work, Google Classroom offers Originality reports for students and teachers. Students can run a report up to 3 times before submitting their final draft to their teacher, and teachers have access to the Originality reports when grading submitted work. This process is enabled by the teacher. In Google Classroom, the teacher clicks on Classwork, Create, Assignment. The teacher is going to fill out all the information, attach any documents. The only thing new that the teacher is going to do is go down to the lower right-hand column and turn on Check Plagiarism Originality. If you want to learn more, click on this link and you will be led to some more tutorials. In this example, I have completed the title and I have also added a Google document for my students to use as their template for their writing. Next, it's the student's turn to enter Google Classroom and retrieve the assignment. In the same location where the teacher set the classwork, the students are going to pick up the classwork. Click on the persuasive essay and open the document. For this demonstration, I have a combination of copied text from websites as well as a mix of my own words in here. When ready, the students will click on Turn In. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. My work is still here, but I can now run my Originality report. As a student, I'm going to click Run. When the Originality report is ready, students will see View the Report. And it appears I have several flagged passages. In fact, 83% was flagged. Now the student can work their way through and find a better way to relate the information that they wanted to include in their essay. For the sake of a good example, I am going to not change anything and click Turn In. As a student, I still have 2 more attempts to run that Originality checker. I could click on Unsubmit and run it again. Next, we're going to return to the teacher's view of the same assignment. The teacher is going to enter classwork and go to the turned in assignments. When the teacher opens each document, they are going to have the report on the right-hand side with any flagged passages. Just like we saw on the student's report, the teacher's report will also show the matches, where they came from, and the percentage of the document that was flagged as not being original. Even though the teacher has some work to do with this student, you can see how the Originality reports are going to help students with the writing process and become better writers in the content that they are using and sharing with others.